Today we're learning about photosynthesis. The process by which plants make their own food is called photosynthesis. This is the stem. Stem has veins for moving water up for every branch and leaf of the plant. That is the meaning of stem. Leaf. Leaf is the part of the plant where food for the plant is prepared. Plant needs some ingredients to make their own food. Water, nutrients, carbon dioxide, presence of chlorophyll, and of course, vitamin D, sunlight. Leaves always face towards the sun so as to receive maximum sunlight, or max. Water and nutrients. Stem transports water, salts, minerals to every plant of the plant through the veins inside it. Now, other page, which means carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide from the air, and it enters to the leaves through in the small openings in the leaves called stoma or stomata. Look, this is carbon dioxide going inside the leaf or leaf. Stomata are very small parts on the outer surface of the leaf. Look, tiny parts. They are tiny, so you can't see them. Stomata has these things called guard cells. Number 4, chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a green-colored pigment present in leaves which help trap the sunlight.